Today is the last day we're going to be looking at reviewing multi-step real-world problems. And today what we're going to look at is when there might be more than two numbers involved and we have to figure out what kind of operations are we going to use. So again, our lesson objective is I can solve multi-step real-world problems using addition and subtraction. So we're going to start out with this story problem. Harper won $25 in an art contest. She also earned $10 for her allowance. She has $52 in her bank account. How much money does she have now? And so when we look at the final question, how much money does she have now, it really doesn't tell us what we're going to do. We have to look at the words earlier in the story problem. So we know that Harper won $25 in an art contest. So she has that money. She gets that money. And the second part says she also earned $10 for her allowance. Again, earned means she's getting money. So winning, earning, she's getting that money. And then it says she already has $52 in her bank account, $52. So she already has that. So if we draw a picture and we have the amounts of money, and so here I show the money, $25, and here's $10, and here's $52. So I'm going to think to myself, if I have all three of these amounts and they want to know how much money she has now, I'm going to add all three of them. So when I ask myself which number sentence makes sense, I'm going to look at A, 25 plus 10 equals 35, and 35 plus 52 equals 87. That would be adding all three of the numbers. The second equation says 25 plus 52 equals 77, and 77 minus 10 equals 67. That can't be true because $10 wasn't taken away. She got it as an allowance. So I know that that can't be it. The third one says 52 minus $10 equals 42, and 42 minus 25 equals 17. Well, that would mean that she is giving away all of her money from her $52, and that can't be it. So the most obvious one is the first one, where I'm adding all three numbers. I added the first two numbers that she had won in her allowance, and then I added that to the amount that she had in her bank account. And that is the correct answer right there.